In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on your location on the Instagram map so your friends can see where you are. Let's get started. First, we need to give Instagram permission to access your location. For that, launch your Settings app. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Now click on the option Location Services. In this page, you're gonna find all the apps. Head over to the app Instagram, launch it, and check in for the option Always or While Using app. Now you can close this and launch your Instagram app. Navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the profile icon given at the bottom right. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. You will be directed to Settings page. Now scroll down and navigate to the options Story, Live and Location. You will be directed to this page. Over here, you're gonna find the option Location Sharing. You can click on that option. Now go ahead and choose who can see your location. Options include followers you follow back, close friends, or your custom list. If you choose no one, your location won't be visible to anyone. If you select close friends, tap to add or remove people from the list. Once you are ready, tap share. Now those people can see your location on the Instagram map. And that's it. You have now turned on location for Instagram map. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.